सो हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई होप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे। तो मैंने ये परमार सर की फैटमैन बुक का सीरीज स्टार्ट किया था, जिसमें मैंने एंसेंट हिस्ट्री कंप्लीट करा दिया और हम लोग मिडावल हिस्ट्री स्टार्ट किए हैं, जिसमें मैंने दिल्ली सल्तनत कंप्लीट करवा दिया है। तो अगर आप लोग देखना चाहो तो इस वीडियो को देख सकते हो। इसमें मैंने टॉपिक वाइज सारा कंप्लीट करा दिया है और ये मिडावल हिस्ट्री या दिल्ली सल्तनत का कंप्लीट हो गया है। तो आज हम लोग इसको विजयनगर एम्पायर करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आज विजयनगर Empire 1336 AD से 1365 AD. The meaning of Vijayanagar, city of victory, capital Hampi, which is derived from the name of local mother goddess Pampa Devi. The ruins of Hampi was brought to light in 1800 by Colin Mackenzie. Hampi was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site in the year 1986. Contemporaries describe this empire as Karnataka Samrajyamu. Early Vijayanagar ruler called themselves as Hindu Shuratana. Local communities of merchants were known as Khudrai Chaitas. Vijayanagar rulers were also known as Narapati, Lord of Men. Odisha rulers were known as Gajapati, Lord of Elephant. Bahmani rulers were known as Ashwapati, Lord of Horses. Muhammad bin Tughlaq was the ruler of Delhi Sultanate when this empire was established. Four important dynasties of Vijayanagar Empire. Sangam 1336 AD से 1485 AD. हरिहर एंड बुक्का. सलुवा 1485 से 1505 AD. सलुवा नरसिम्हा. तुलुवा 1505 से 1570 AD. वीर नरसिम्हा. फिर ये है अरावीडू 1570 AD से 1650 AD. त्रुमाला. फिर यहाँ से है इम्पोर्टेंट रूलर ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर, जो कि है हरिहर फर्स्ट एंड बुक्का 1336 AD से 1356 AD. दे आर द फाउंडर ऑफ संगम डायनेस्टी 1336 AD से 1485 AD. Sons of Sangam, they were feudatories of Kakatiya and later became ministry in the court of Kampili. Title taken by Harihar first. Karnataka Vijay Vilas. Bukka is credited with remaining Vijayanagar to Vijayanagara. Dev Rai first and Dev Rai second succeeded Harihar and Bukka. यहाँ से है तो सुलुवा नरसिम्हा. Suluva Narasimha 1485 AD से 1491 AD. He is the founder of Suluva dynasty. वीर नरसिम्हा नरस नायका 1505 AD से 1509 AD. He was the founder of Tuluva dynasty 1505 AD से 1570 AD. कृष्णदेव राय 1509 AD से 1529 AD. Suluva, the chief minister of Veer Narasimha, placed him on there. He built Vijay Mahal, House of Victory, Hazaram Temple, Vitthal Swami Temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. Title taken Yavan Raj Satpancharya, restorer of Vayan Kingdom, Bidar Kingdom, Abhinav Bhoja, Andhra Pratima. He founded a suburban township of Nagalapuram named after his mother. He was a gifted scholar in both Telugu and Sanskrit. His work include Amuktimalaya, Telugu work on statecraft, and Jambavati Kalyanams. It is a Sanskrit drama. His court was adorned by Ashtadiggaja, example Tenali Ram. He gave permission to Albuquerque, a Portuguese governor, to build a fort of Bhatkalpur. He defeated ruler of Odisha on his initial day. He defeated Ismail Adil and restored Raichur Doab region between Krishna and Tungabhadra. During his reign, Amar Naika, military commander flourished. After Krishnadev Rai, his brother Achyutadev Rai ascended the throne. When Achyutadev Rai died in 1542, Sadashiv Rai, the nephew of Achyutya Rai, was appointed emperor with Alya Ram Rai. Krishna Dev Rai, son-in-laws, become the caretaker. Due to much interference of Alya Ram Rai in the internal matter of dissensions, they decided to attack on Vijayanagar, leading to Battle of Talikota, also known as Battle of Raksihashi Tangadi, 1565. In this battle, combined army of Bijapur, Ahmednagar, and Golconda ransacked Vijayanagar Empire. After the battle, the Vijayanagar Empire continued to rule in a very small part. Last ruler was Sri Ranga III, Arvindu dynasty. Ayaga system. Each village was organized as an independent unit for the operation of rural administrations, and 12 officers were appointed for their operation. ये traveler, region, country. Ibn Battuta, Harihar and Bukka, Morocco. Niccolo di Conti, Deva Rai first, Italy. Abdul Razzaq, Dev Rai second, Persia. Durate Barbosa, Krishnadev Rai, Portugal. Domingo Peace, Krishnadev Rai, Portugal. Fernão Nunes, Achyutadev Rai, Portugal. Royal Center. It consisted of 60 temples and 30 places. ये रीज़न दिया इसका फिगर. Royal Sacred and Urban Center of Vijayanagar Empire. Sacred Center. All temples were here. Royal Center, southwest to Tungabhadra River, where all kings used to reside. Urban Center, residential building were seen here. यहाँ पे इसका ये दिया. This is a Lotus Mahal council chamber where king and his advisor met. ये है एलिफेंट फेस्टिवल पॉसिबली बाई कृष्णा देव राय. हजारा राम टेम्पल. And this one is Mahanavami Dibba. It was spread across 11,000 square feet, height 40 feet. It was considered as a large platform which was used for royal ceremonies. Wall have relief carving on it. Sacred Center. Vitthal Swami Temple. Vitthal Swami Temple. Virupaksha Temple, Hampi. Vitthal is Lord Vishnu, built by Krishna Dev Rai. An image of it is seen in 50 rupees Indian note. जो 50 रुपीज़ के नोट्स पे रहता है यही है. विट्ठल स्वामी टेम्पल. विरूपाक्ष टेम्पल, हम्पी, built by Lakhan Dandesh under Dev Rai II. Gopuram was built by Krishna Dev Rai. Virupaksha Temple. Lord Virupaksha was considered as one of the avatar of Lord Shiva, and most of the rulers claimed that they ruled on behalf of him. According to legend, goddess Pampa Devi performed penance on the hills along Tungabhadra river to marry Lord Virupaksha. Fortification. According to Persian traveler Abdul Razzaq, there was 7 levels of fortification in Vijayanagar Empire. Provided style of architecture was introduced by Vijayanagar ruler. Kamalapuram tank. It is a stable tank built by Krishna Dev Rai. Anantaraj Sagar tank and Hiriya canal were also built by Vijayanagar Empire. तो यहाँ पे हमारा विजयनगर एम्पायर कंप्लीट हो जाता है और कल हम लोग करेंगे बहमनी किंगडम. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले और वीडियो को लाइक करें. आपकी सपोर्ट की मुझे बहुत ज़रूरत है। थैंक यू सो मच। बाय बाय।